If you're trying to build a better workshop, without more space, without unnecessary complexity, and without gimmicks, this channel is for you. Here on the Foundry of Ideas, the focus is simple: practical woodworking, smarter shop solutions, and tools and jigs that actually earn their place in the shop. In 2025, this channel continued doing what it's always done: building real projects for real shops. You'll find shop builds, space-saving upgrades, and jigs designed to solve specific problems, not just look good on camera. Everything is built with usability in mind, whether you're working in a full shop or a tight garage. The focus is always on clear, step-by-step builds, honest design decisions, and solutions that don't rely on expensive tools or perfect conditions. Many of the projects here start with a limitation: space, budget, workflow, or accuracy. And the goal is always the same: work around those limits intelligently. It's not about perfection, it's about function, repeatability, and building tools you'll actually use. If you're watching these videos, you're already part of the process. Get involved, ask questions, and leave a comment about what you'd like to see built or improved next. Most future projects start with a problem worth solving, and those ideas often come straight from the comments. If that sounds useful to you, take a look around. You're in the right place.